Hey everyone, this is Tyler from 643boxbreaks.com bringing you a cheap team buy it now break of Upper Deck Series 1. This was sold out today, and so we're going to break it now. If you had 3 teams or more in this break, you're going to get yourself a prize draft ticket. Prize draft ticket can win you a Max Pacioretty tape-to-tape autograph numbered out of 6, a Tyler Johnson autographed ticket, a Steve Yzerman autographed helmet, or a 643boxbreaks.com t-shirt. So, the 3+ team winners in this break are Sean, 1989, Flyers Takedown, 716, Bummer Boy, Blue Nose, 87, and Barfing Monkey. So you guys all got 3 teams in the break, so you're going to get your names put into the ball. Here are the team list assignment for this break. The Oilers are going to be 1 on the wheel in just a second. For those of you who got 3 teams or more, you're also going to get a name in the Teeks643 hockey pool. Use these roster players to build a fantasy team for the next season. The winner of the fantasy hockey pool is going to get 2 tickets to an NHL game, and in places 2nd through 6th, they're going to split a tin of the cup. So here we go. This is for Barfing Monkey. He's got John Carlson for the Washington Capitals. Blue Nose, 87, has Johnny Gaudreau. Bummer Boy has Boone Jenner for the Blue Jackets. Flyers Takedown. Added to your team is Sergei Bobrovsky, also for the Jackets. That's for Flyers Takedown. And Sean, 1989, is going to get Sid the Kid. Congratulations, Sean. You got Crosby. Alright, so that is Carlson, Gaudreau, Jenner, Bobrovsky, and Crosby. Okay, we've also got 3 players to pull out for the people who got the Buy It Now purchases. So first of all, Blue Nose. PJ, you're getting one of the best goalies, Braden Holtby. Congratulations, PJ. Sean, 1989, is getting Kevin Bieksa for the Ducks. And for Bummer Boy, Jack, you are getting Manitoba native Travis Hamonic. Hamonic for Bummer Boy. Congratulations, guys. I will update those later tonight or tomorrow morning. Alright, let's go ahead and spin the wheel, give away the Oilers in this break. Whatever team it lands on is going to get the Edmonton Oilers. Good luck, you guys. The Edmonton Oilers are going to the New York Rangers. Rangers in this break belongs to Blue Nose, 87. So PJ, you're getting your chance at a Connor McDavid Young Guns rookie card. So let's go ahead and update that here on the team list. PJ, the Rangers now also own the Edmonton Oilers. Alright, a couple more bonuses for this break. The first hit gets a special 643 collector card. The last card out of the last pack is the last card standing. You're going to get yourself a free spot in Dominion. Serial number is BB010352457. And we actually just filled up the Dominion box last night, so we're starting a brand new one in this break. And right after this break, we're going to bust open that free box of Dominion for all of those involved. So here we go. Good luck, everyone. Here are your packs. Empty box. Alright, let's do this. The first hit is a very nice Evgeny Kuznetsov Upper Deck Canvas for the Washington Capitals and Barfing Monkey. Love those canvas cards. So Barfing Monkey, you also get yourself a 643 collector card. So let's pull you one of the brand new ones. This is number 1 out of 8. 643 monikers of War Machine. There's War Machine with the nice War Machine autograph there on the bottom. Not that it wants to focus right now, but you get the, there it is. You get the idea. So that's going to Barfing Monkey and the Washington Capitals. Alright. Next up, we've got a base pack. Pack number 3. We've got our jersey card, Jonas Hiller for the Calgary Flames and Flyers Takedown. Then we got a Young Guns rookie for the Ottawa Senators, Matt Plumple. Going to Ottawa, Flyers Takedown once again. Flyers taking down all the hits. We got a very nice portraits of Guy Lafleur for the Montreal Canadiens and Sean 1989. I love the look of those portraits cards. There's a Portraits Legends. Next up, we got Jakub Voracek, Shining Stars for the Philadelphia Flyers and Flyers Takedown. We've got an Upper Deck Canvas for the Chicago Blackhawks and Found on Film, Marian Hossa. Bill's Chicago Blackhawks, doing the fundraising box break in memory of Bill tonight. Wouldn't it be fitting if the winning box had an awesome playbook of the Chicago Blackhawks? You got a Young Guns rookie of Henrik Samuelsson for the Arizona Coyotes and Bummer Boy. So Jack, you got yourself a rookie. Base pack. Oh, we got another Shining Stars. This is the blue version of Max Pacioretty for Sean 1989. We got a portraits for the Montreal Canadiens and Sean. Carey Price. All kinds of Canadiens inserts in this box. We've got another Young Guns of Kyle Bond for the Chicago Blackhawks. Found on Film, second hit of the box for Chicago. Yeah, when you do the fundraising breaks, count it as a donation because it's going all to Bill's college. Got an Upper Deck Canvas of David Perron for the Pittsburgh Penguins and Bummer Boy. Next up, we got a Young Guns of Matthias Janmark for the Dallas Stars and DJ Bass. And base pack, unless I missed something here. No, base pack with a checklist at the back. We've got a Matt Sundin Shining Stars for the Toronto Maple Leafs and Bummer Boy. How about a Jack Eichel Young Guns canvas? Because why not? We got a Ryan Johansson Upper Deck Portraits for the Columbus Blue Jackets and Bummer Boy. Young Guns for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Sergei Plotnikov for Pittsburgh and Bummer Boy. Look at those jerseys, eh? Woof. Alright, we got about 6 packs to go. Another Shining Stars, Patrice Bergeron for the Bruins and Sean 1989. Base pack. 4 packs to go. Oh, nice. We got a Young Guns checklist. Connor McDavid and Sam Bennett. So we're going to have to random that off between the Oilers, who is Blue Nose, and the Flames, Flyers Takedown. McDavid and Bennett. Young Guns checklist. And nobody walks away empty-handed in the randoms, because whoever does not win the card is going to get a roster player and a prize draft ticket. Got another Portraits, Henrik Zetterberg for the Detroit Red Wings and Barfing Monkey. Does that checklist go for anything decent because McDavid's on there? Or is it just another checklist? Another base pack. Alright, last pack of the box. That means that the last card out of this pack is going to get a free spot in the next box of Dominion. Good luck, everyone. First of all, we got an Upper Deck canvas of Ryan Nugent-Hopkins for Blue Nose. And the last card standing is Johnny Gaudreau, Johnny Hockey. So the Calgary Flames and Flyers Takedown. You're going to get yourself a free spot in the next box of Dominion. So Flyers Takedown. Congratulations, free spot. Alright, let's go ahead and do the random for the checklist between the Oilers and the Calgary Flames. Alright, so the Flames are going to be the red die. The Oilers are going to be the blue die. Or whoever's higher is going to get the card. So red for Flames, blue for Oilers. Good luck. And it's going to the Oilers and PJ. So congratulations, PJ. You've got yourself the checklist. That means that Flyers Takedown, you're going to get yourself an extra prize draft ticket. So you lost the checklist, but you could win yourself a Steve Yzerman autographed helmet. So Flyers Takedown 716. This is the Breaking Bad bonus. If you lose a card to random, you get bonuses. Okay, and you also get yourself a prize draft or a roster player for your fantasy team. And look at that, Flyers Takedown. You got yourself a free wild card for the Carolina Hurricanes. So let me know which player you want added to your fantasy team, and I will add them to your roster. Congratulations, Jason. So Flyers Takedown gets Carolina Wild. Alright, you guys, I'm going to shut her down. I'll be right back in about a minute, and we will do the free box of Dominion. See you in a bit.